Hi, are you looking to change your name and need a Gazette certificate? Look no further. In this tutorial, we will guide you step by step on how to obtain a Gazette certificate for your name change online. Let us get started. Namaste, I am Srinivas Sharma, a name change expert. I have 15 years of experience and helped more than 10,000 clients from across India. They successfully changed their name and surname from the comfort of their home. My commitment for excellent service has earned me a 5-star Google rating. You can watch my videos in Hindi and Telugu languages also. The link is given in the description. Before we dive into the topic now, please take a small break and subscribe my channel. So first, what is Gazette? The Gazette of India is a public journal and an authorized legal document of the Government of India. It is published weekly by the Department of Publication, a subordinate office of the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Nowadays, digital copy of Gazette is uploaded on egazette.nic.in website every Saturday. Anybody can visit the website and download the Gazette. As a public journal, the Gazette prints official notices from the government. Publishing information in the Gazette is a legal necessity by which official documents come into force and enter the public domain. Ordinary gazettes are regularly published weekly on a particular day of the week, that is Saturday, whereas extraordinary gazettes are published every day depending upon the urgency of the matters to be published. Now next thing is, who publishes Gazette of India? Office of the Controller of Publication, Government of India is the authority which publish the Gazette. The Gazette is like a giant notice board used by the government to share important announcements. But guess what? It also helps individuals like you make official name changes. There are two types of Gazette. First is a weekly Gazette. This one comes out every Saturday, just like your local newspaper. It is where all personal name change ads are published. The second category is called the Extraordinary Gazette. This special edition pops up whenever there is something urgent to announce. Now, let us talk about those personal ads. Change your name or surname. This is the most common reason people use the Gazette. Whether you are getting married, divorced, or just want a fresh start, this ad makes your new name official. Then second is, correct a mistake in your name. Did someone spell your name wrong on your birth certificate? The Gazette can fix that. Update your name due to a big life change. Maybe you transitioned genders or converted to a new religion. The Gazette helps reflect these important moments in your official documents. Next is adopt a child and update their name. Give your little one a legal name change with the Gazette's help. Next is fix a mistake in your parents, spouses, or children's names. Sometimes paperwork gets messy. The Gazette can straighten things out. Important things to remember about Gazette fees. Gazette advertisement fees vary depending on the type of ad, your residency status, that is whether Indian or abroad, and whether you are an adult or minor. Then be patient. The process might take some time. Next comes why publish your name in the Government Gazette? Think of the Gazette as a giant official notice board. When you get your name change published there, it is like a legal announcement to everyone. Hey, my name is different now. This is useful for a few reasons. Number one, everyone in India recognizes Gazette, whether it's the local post office or a big government office. They all trust the Gazette. It works abroad too. If you ever move to another country, the Gazette helps with visa and residency stuff. Next important thing is updating your documents becomes very easy. Once your name is in the Gazette, then changing it on your passport. Say for example, here it is your passport. So you can change in your passport, you can change in your PAN card, you can change in your voter card, you can change in bank account, almost you can change in Aadhaar card. Every document you can get updated because everyone recognizes your name. So how do you get your name change in the Gazette? The step number one is draft an affidavit. This legal document declares your intention to change your surname and provides relevant details like your old and new names, date of marriage, and spouse's name. You can draft this yourself or seek legal assistance. Then comes step number two. Get the affidavit notarized. Visit a notary public and get your affidavit signed and stamped. This validates the authenticity of the document. Then step number three, apply for Gazette publication. Approach the controller of publication within the Department of Publication under the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. This office is located in New Delhi Civil Lines. You will need to submit the affidavit, give an advertisement in the newspaper, fill in the application form, pay the fees online, and submit your application along with your ID and address proof to the department. You can submit your application either personally or by post or courier. It is not mandatory to visit personally to submit your application. Then step number four is wait for application. After processing your application, the Gazette will publish your name with the new name and new surname. That is called name change notice. The exact time frame might vary, but generally it takes 3 to 4 weeks. Step number 5, update your documents. Once your name change or surname change is published, you can approach the relevant authorities to update your name or surname or both on your documents. This typically involves submitting an application form and the Gazette publication notice, which is just like this, and other supportive documents. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to changing your name and surname or name. If you have any questions about this video, please write in the comments below. If you are interested to take our professional service for name change or surname change and want to obtain a Gazette certificate like this, then contact me now. My contact details are shown on the screen and also given in the description. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for more helpful tips and information. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Have a nice day. Namaste and bye bye.